Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a trucking company. With the constant need for the transportation of goods across various industries, starting a trucking company can be a lucrative venture with high demand. However, the road to success requires a significant upfront investment, ranging from $10,000 for a small used truck to over $500,000 for a larger fleet of 18-wheelers. You'll also need a strong foundation of industry knowledge, logistics, and fleet management skills. So are you ready to hit the road and explore the opportunities in the trucking industry? Let's discuss the required steps to starting your own trucking company. Considerations before starting a trucking company. Initial investment. Skills required. Demand. Location. Hours. Permits and licenses. Profit margin. Challenges. How to start a trucking company. 1. Create a business plan. Executive summary. Company description. Market analysis. Organization and management. Service or product line. Marketing and sales. Funding request. Financial projections. Appendix for supporting documents. To avoid drowning in the details, set SMART goals. The SMART approach below will keep your plan and business from being too generic to drive value. Specific. Use action words to describe the steps you'll take. Measurable. What metrics or data targets will flag your success or failure? Achievable. Make targets realistic and attainable. Relevant. Create goals that match your job functions. Time-bound. List specific time frames, e.g., by the end of first quarter. 2. Choose a business structure. When choosing a business structure, most small startups opt to create an LLC. So you'll have to cough up a little extra money for state fees for an LLC. It's worth it for the peace of mind. Using an LLC formation service can streamline this process, leaving you with more time and energy to focus on running your business. 4. Business taxes. Both types of companies must report income and expenses on Schedule C of Form 1040. You'll pay taxes on your income, whether you take a paycheck or not. If you hire employees, both LLCs and sole proprietors must. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. Obtain an employer identification number from the IRS. Withhold payroll taxes. Pay payroll taxes. 3. Pick a business name. Your name should clearly reflect the general industry, e.g., trucking, hauling, freight, and the services you provide. Most states have an online business name database through their Secretary of State website. Search it to see if the name is taken. Once you establish an original name, visit the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website to ensure it isn't trademarked. Also check the availability of a domain name and register it. The more unique your business name, the more likely it's already in use, but you can get creative by adding extra words. 4. Register your trucking business. Register your business structure with your Secretary of State. Get an employer identification number. Obtain licensing and permits required by your state. Start with the list of state websites at the Department of Transportation. Sign up for general liability insurance rates. Commercial Truck Insurance HQ reports that most trucks hauling commodities must have a minimum of $750,000 of coverage. Review the insurance filing requirements on the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration website. Open a business bank account. Don't skimp on compliance. It may sound daunting, but in the trucking industry, it just means dotting a few I's and crossing some T's. Look into a USDOT number, operating authority, heavy vehicle use tax, international registration plan, and BOC3 filing, among others. 5. Determine business costs. Before you acquire funds, calculate the fixed costs, ongoing expenses, and one-time costs. Fixed costs may include garage rental, monthly truck payments, and insurance. Ongoing costs could be fuel, utilities, taxes, and payroll. One-time costs include licensing or permits, signs, and office furniture and equipment. While a new commercial truck costs more, it also offers the assurance of fewer repairs and less maintenance, which can save money and prevent losses from downtime. 6. Purchase the necessary equipment. If you're not buying a truck outright, select a leasing financial plan. Most startup trucking companies will choose from these three options: operating lease full service, term rental adjustment clause lease, lease purchase plans. What equipment will you buy? That depends on several factors. Are you driving within your state or across the country? E.g., do you need a truck cab with sleeper options? What will you be hauling? Livestock versus dry goods versus refrigerated items. Will you need to store, repair, and maintain multiple vehicles? You can always start with a single basic vehicle and adjust your equipment inventory as you grow. 7. Market your trucking company. Marketing your new trucking business requires a mix of approaches, but you'll want to create a website first. Wix and Weebly are two great out-of-the-box options with pre-made templates, or Busy offers websites. Claim your business on Google and add it to local business directories for a quick, high-return marketing jumpstart. Promote your business on social media platforms too, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Online freight boards can also help you find customers. Print collateral like brochures, business cards, and direct mail can help you drum up business, but word-of-mouth promotion works best for most new trucking firms at first. Doing top-notch thorough work for a few bread-and-butter customers is a solid way to build a deep client list fast. Browse this list and choose the one that best fits your interests, budget, capabilities, and time commitment. For hire truckload carriers, earn revenue by hauling freight for other companies. Private fleets. Work as a subcontractor for another trucking company. Less than truckload carriers. Transport smaller loads for home or business delivery across the country. Household movers. Help civilian, military, or business customers relocate locally or to another state. Intermodal. Haul rail containers to and from a rail yard. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope it will help you start a trucking business in a legal way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show for example like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form and LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are three different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. Busy is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has three different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the three packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the three, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the Basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. The Premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the three because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, BZ will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, BZ is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, BZ will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see BZ will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. You can click on the Next button. After that, BZ will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, BZ will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by BZ and click on Next. In the next section, BZ will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, BZ will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, BZ will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where BZ will do additional research on your behalf. After that, BZ will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using BZ.